Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to turn on and off dark mode on Facebook. First of all, you click on your Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you'll be given 6 options here: home, watch, marketplace, profile, notifications, and menu. Here you click on the last option that says menu, and then you scroll down to settings and privacy. You click on this, you scroll down again until you see the dark mode, which is normally the third to the last icon here. You click on it, and then you can turn it on or off, or you can choose to adjust it to your system appearance. You can click on this. This simply means that you can easily change this using your system's appearance. You come over here and then you can just easily switch to dark and light mode. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.